Hello my dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golapachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video we have solved some exercises of chapter number 6 and today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter. Okay, so first of all you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open chapter number 6, that is nouns, number. Okay student, so we have already completed exercise A in notebook. So after this we are going to do the next exercise, that is exercise B. So dear student, what will we do in this given exercise B? So let's do the exercise B. So first of all we have to read this given heading, that is identify the errors and rewrite these sentences. So student, you have to write down this given exercise in your notebook. First of all you have to you have to identify the errors and rewrite these sentences. So in first you can see there is the babies cried loudly as their toys were broken. So you can see here that is given, you can see the given word babies and toys are not in correct form. So first of all we have to change this given word. It will be babies, 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 and toys will be toys. Okay, so like this we have to change this both word and after that rewrite this given sentence in notebook. Now the next, in second, there is the thieves broke open the lockers and stole the ring. Okay, so here we have to change the given word, that is thieves and lockers. So student, and one more word, that is ring. Okay, so we have to change thieves into thieves, THEVES, and lockers in locker, and after that ring into rings. Okay students, so like this we have to change this given word. Now the next third is the passengers were waiting for their trains at the station. Okay, so here we have to change this given word passenger and trains. Okay, in fourth, Reena loved the stories fairies. Here we have to change this both word. In third, Nishu cut the tomatoes in half. So here we have to change the given word tomatoes in half. In the next is number 6, the deers were hidden behind the bushes. So we have to change the given word deers and bushes. Now the 7th, the loaves of bread were kept on the shelves. So we have to change loaves and shelves. In number 8, heroes and youth. Okay, now the next number 9, the ladies play the piano. So we have to change this both word. In number 10, the monkeys, wolves, buffaloes. Okay, we have to change this given word in a correct form and after that rewrite this given word, this given sentence in notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, now we moving to the next. There is on the basis of their number quantity, noun can also be classified as countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, so noun that refer to people or things that can be counted are called countable noun. For example, 1 dog, 3 pencil, 5 apples, etc. The basis of the number. Okay, on the basis of their number, nouns can also be classified as countable or uncountable. So nouns that refer to people or things that can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, 1 dog, 3 pencil, 5 apples, etc. And next is nouns that refer to things that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, liquids like oil, milk, water, etc. Powders and gases. Abstract nouns like happiness, kindness, etc. Okay, so there is an important note for you. You must be read this. That is, the article the can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but articles a and an can be used only with countable nouns. For example, the children were asked to clean the mess they had made. Okay, would you lend me a pen? We saw an elephant at the zoo. Would you lend me a money? Okay students, so we use some or any before an uncountable noun. We cannot say 5 rices, 2 breads or 3 salts. We say a sack of rice, 2 loaves of bread, 3 teaspoons of salt. Okay, 3 teaspoons of salt. according to the knowledge of countable and uncountable noun, we have to do the given next exercise, that is exercise given on page number 33. So what will we do in this given exercise? So look at these pictures, identify this as countable, so we have to write C, or uncountable, so we have to write U. So first is sugar. So tell me, it is a countable or uncountable? So it is a uncountable, so we have to write here U. Now the second is juice. So juice is a countable or uncountable, so we all know that liquid like juice, oils are uncountable, so for this we have to write here U. Third is vegetable, so yes, it is countable. Fourth is lollipop, so it is countable. Fifth is butter, so it is uncountable. Sixth is bread, loaf of bread, so it is uncountable, so we have to write here U. Now the next is number 7, a cup of tea, so it is uncountable. Next, number 8 is uncountable, this is wheat, it is uncountable. And 9th is tomato, so it is countable. So like this we have to write C and U in front of this given pictures. Okay, now the next is think of suitable uncountable noun for each of these countable nouns in this sentences. Use the hints given in the brackets one has done for you. Dear student, you have to do the given next exercise, that is think of a suitable uncountable noun for each of these countable nouns in this sentences and use the hints given in the brackets one has done for you. You can see that first is cow is a countable noun, but milk is related to cow, so we have to write here milk is an uncountable noun. Okay, what it gives, so cow gave us milk, so we have to write here milk. In second, so the sentence will be cow is an uncountable noun, but milk is an cow is a countable noun, but milk is an uncountable noun. Second is a slice of toast is a countable noun, but bread is an uncountable noun. Okay. Third is umbrella is countable noun, but rain is uncountable noun, because the given hints is what it protects us from. So it umbrella protect us from rain, so we have to write on the given blank rain. Okay, now the next stage, number 4, car is a countable noun, but dash is uncountable noun. So there is hint what the car needs to run. So car needs to run, that is diesel, so we have to write here diesel. Now the next is number 5, factory is countable nouns, but dash is an uncountable noun. So what it emits, so smoke, we have to write here smoke. Now the 6th is cup is a countable noun, but is an uncountable noun. So what we drink in it, so we drink tea in a cup, so we have to write here tea. Okay, now the next is number 7, purse is a countable noun, but dash is an uncountable noun. What we keep in it, so we keep in it perfume, so we have to write here perfume. Now the next is number 8, apple is a countable noun, but dash is an uncountable noun. So what we make from it, we make juice from apple, so we have to write here juice. Okay, now the ninth is candy is a countable noun, but dash is uncountable noun. What is it made of? So it is made of sugar, so we have to write here sugar. Candy is countable noun, but sugar is an uncountable noun. Now the next number 10 is tree is a countable noun, but dash is an uncountable noun. So what it releases, so it releases oxygen gas, so we have to write here oxygen gas. Okay, so student, after write this given word on the blanks, we have to rewrite these sentences in notebook. Okay, for example, as you can see, the first, cow is a countable noun, but milk is an uncountable noun. And second, we have to write a slice of toast is a countable noun, but bread is an uncountable noun. Third, umbrella is a countable noun, but rain is an uncountable noun. Fourth, car is a countable noun, but diesel is an uncountable noun. Fifth, factory is a countable noun, but smoke is an uncountable noun. Sixth, in number 6, we have to write the sentence, that is cup is a countable noun, but tea is an uncountable noun. Seventh is purse is a countable noun, but perfume is an uncountable noun. Number 8 is apple is a countable noun, but juice is an uncountable noun. Ninth, candy is a countable noun, but Sugar is an uncountable noun. Number 10 is tree is a countable noun, but oxygen gas is an uncountable noun. Okay, student? Now we're moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So what will we do in exercise B? So solve the crossword with words from the box. The clues will help you. Student? In this exercise, the clues are given in the box. So we have to use the words according to the across and downwards. So first of all, we have to fill the given blanks, and after that we have to complete this given. First of all, we have to fill the given blanks, and after that we have to complete this given crossword according to the words form. Okay. So first of all, there is in across column there is a dash of coffee. So we have to write here mug, a mug of coffee. Second is 3 dash of milk. So we have to write here bottles. 6 is a loaf of bread. On the given blank we have to write loaf. Okay. 7th is a piece of cake, and number 8 is 2 bars of soap. Okay. In a down we have to write a morsel of food, a bale of cotton, a tube of toothpaste. 4th is 4 jars of jam and a pinch of salt. Okay, students, so let's complete the given crossword. In first we have to write mug, M-U-G, mug. Okay, and here in a down we have to write morsel, M-O-R-S-E-L, morsel. Okay, student, you have to use the capital letter. Okay, in 6 we have to write loaf, L-O-A-F, loaf. In number 4 we have to write jars, J-A-R-S, jars. In number 8 bars, B-A-R-S, bars. Okay, in second we have to write in an across bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E-S, bottles. Okay, in third we have to write tube, T-U-B-E, tube. Okay, in number 5 we have to write pinch, P-I-N-C-H, and number 7 we have to write piece, P-I-E-C-E, piece. Like this we have to complete this given crossword. Okay, student, now moving to the next last exercise, that is given on page number 35 and 36. So what will we do in this given exercise? So identify the highlighted nouns as a countable. So we have to write C, or uncountable. For that we have to write U. So first is the children were playing in the rain. So tell me, children are countable or uncountable? So the given word children is a countable noun. So for that we have to write here C. Second, I drink milk every day. So milk is an uncountable noun. So we have to write here U. And scientists are trying to find a solution for global warming. So scientists are countable noun. So we have to write here C. Next, number 4, I mixed the butter in the mixture of flour, sugar and eggs to make the batter. So eggs are countable nouns. So we have to write C here. Now 5th is Rahul applied glue on the one side of cut out and pasted them on a chart paper. So glue is an uncountable noun. So we have to write here U. 6th is the policemen were marching towards the camp. So policeman is a countable noun. So we have to write here C. Number 7, the trainer advised Susan some exercise for the baggage. Okay, students, so the given word is exercise is uncountable noun. So we have to write here U. Now the 8 is open all the doors and the windows. So windows are countable noun. So we have to write here C. Now the number 9 is could you get me some juice, please? So the given word juice is a uncountable noun. So we have to write here U. Number 10 is Mita dropped some oil while pouring into the can. So oil is a uncountable noun. So we have to write here U. So like this we have to complete this all exercises of chapter number 6 in book. Okay, student, and after that one by one you have to note down this given exercises in your notebook. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises in your book and also in your notebook. Okay, students, so your homework is you have to complete your book and after that note down this given exercise in your notebook. Okay, student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.